All right, team, let's make it up out of here, team. Ugh, what did my man just fall in? Guts? Please be over here. Yes. If I think I'm at the right spot where I'm at, I think it should be a door right outside there.
Just think, there's got to be a way out.
Bro. Come on, Sonny, you taking too long. Let's get this done.
This'll help.
Yep. Somebody left. Yep. Bubba somewhere.
Let's see where this leads.
I was really not lying. I was hoping that you didn't see me, bro. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. See ya. See ya, buddy.
Gotta watch out.
See ya. Just gave him the old 1-2, buckle my shoe, skip to my loo, my darling. Lost him. Where that old man at?
That looks useful.
I need help.
Bubba upstairs now.
I should keep this.
Oh nah, they close by me. Hold on. So Grandpa inside the house. Come on, team, come on. It's like y'all giving it to him too easy, team. What's up, Bubba? Bubba, do not hit me with that chainsaw. I'm talking shit about y'all, but Bubba just fucked me up. Oh, I need some help. Oh, I need help. Oh, I need help. Oh, I need help. Bro, you make it out and didn't even tell nobody. Thank you. Oh, I need help.
Did they hear that?
Bubba coming this way? Nah, but I know one thing. I need help. Bubba smacked me with that chainsaw. Bubba down here. Bubba down here with me. I gotta find some health. Hey man, how you make it out? Where you go? Can I get some health, please? What up? That's leaving. Bro, where is health at? Thank you. Just a little.
Great. I can use this.
I'm gonna have to stab Mr. Nevercracker. That's what I'm gonna call that old dude from now on, Nevercracker. Look like it's just me and Leland. Bro, we gonna have to stick together, bro. I'm rocking with you, you rocking with me.
Look at this.
We gonna have to do this, Chad. Run, Chad, run!
I got this.
Sound like Bubba just went back upstairs. Bubba back upstairs. Had to stab Nevercracker real quick. Stay right there, Chad. You. Ooh-wee.
I guess I can't.
Ooh-wee. Which spot is open? I better find the fuse. I better find the fuse. Last one. I see that water pressure is on the other side. Or I can do the fuse box. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh, they might kill me, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Why you just staring over here, bro? Go somewhere. Go ahead, beat it, bro. Beat it. You don't know where I'm at. We trucking across this. We got this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you, Susie May. I could be doing this and do the fuse valve, but I don't know where the fuse valve is. If I knew where the fuse valve was, I'd be doing that. Bro, notice Did they stop it? I got an idea. I got an idea. I'm gonna have to find that fuse box, bro. I was about to say, bro, I'm sipping something, bro. Don't hit me. I'm sipping tea in y'all hood. What up, Susie Mae? Why you do that? Why you do that? Why you do that? Whoo! Good thing I'm black. Whoo! Good thing I'm black. Come on, man. I need y'all to dip, bro. I need y'all to dip. Where's the fuse box? I need to locate this fuse box first. I'm gonna turn this on, hit the fuse box, and I'm dipping. Ooh, mama, how long you got your poison here for? Nah, y'all gonna have to earn this, bro. I'm just not gonna run out and give it to y'all now. But I gotta make a quick move. I gotta make a quick move, though. Have them distracted with this. Grab that fuse. And do something else. Come on, man. I'm down as well. Oh, crap. Bubba, I fell down there. I don't know how I'm gonna pull a rabbit out the man. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one, bro. Don't be honest. I don't know how I'm gonna pull this one off, man. Cause I need a tool chest to open the. I mean, not a tool, the tool chest, the tool to unlock the thing, but still. I'm down here with nothing. I know it hurts, bro. I know it hurts. Trust me. They downstairs looking for me. Can I do this? Can we do this? Can we do this? Can we do this? They downstairs, bro. Oh, that's way quicker.
Just keep your head clear. Eyes open. You can do this.
It's the fuse box in the kitchen. Oh, you need to stop playing with me. Oh, you need to stop playing with me. Oh, we up out of here. We Gucci. We Gucci, man. We up out of here. Pulled it off. Pulled it off. Up out of there. GG's. GG's. How did he make it out? Where did he go through?